She is swimming. And I'm filming it. This is her first time going in the bath. The other Budgie girls have taught her what to do. Oh, Emma just did a high dive. I will post it. Come here, Minion. And throw Minion in there. Everyone needs to go swim. All the crazy budginess going on. That was Minion. Wow, Orbitz is totally soaked. Minion almost fell on my face. That was a Budgie sneeze. Oh, Emma just literally types in. She's so funny. Oh, good. I'm glad Orbitz likes this. Yeah, she's in her cage. She fights with everybody. He's doing pretty good. Well, he picks his feathers and stuff. No, they're still bathing. Alright, I think they're done now. Orbitz is soaked! At least she knows what to do now.